guys, welcome back to the channel. Some days I wake up and I really just don't want to film, and today's one of those days, but I want to make some content for you guys and let you guys know that not every day is going to be good or not every day is going to be easy, but we chase the spread regardless. Let's get this bread. Mountain of a set of 26 by 16 HD Pros. Nice. HD Pro forged. Those look really good actually. HD Pro's got a pretty good wheel for the money. This one was really cool that I wanted to show you guys. KG1's one of the only companies that makes a 24 by 10. So you can do a 24 by 10 negative offset. Has a little bitty lip on it. Look at that, that's different, isn't it? I'm going on it. Be obnoxious.
Right? It ain't got no lip. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no lip on it. Y'all really f***ed this guy up with a step lip. We got a concave wheel with a step lip here. Hell yeah.
Mitch is
what y'all gonna do? Tell him how good it looks when y'all put it on?
He's already seen it. He's already seen it.
Oh my God, those are f***ing amazing. I just love it so much.
Okay, we're gonna close that back up. We're gonna move on with the day.
Four-wheeler got a bigger lip than his does.
Let me explain to y'all how my day is going right now. Look at the bag. What does the bag say? Bread gang. Vibes are good. It's Monday, new week, new opportunities. We got a lot of builds coming in today. We're doing a 9-inch and some 26-inch JTXs today, and we're putting a 6-inch lift kit on a 2023 GMC 1500 or Chevy 1500. Chevy 1500 today. A lot going on. I hope you guys are excited. Video is going to be good. Get you a snack, sit down, relax on the couch. It's gonna be a good day. It's Monday. Can't remember if he's from Augusta or Savannah, but this 2500 has a nice little backstory to it that I'll tell you guys in a little bit. It's early in the morning. I'm trying to get my thoughts together, but this one's getting a Mcgaughys kit and some 2614 JTXs today. I've been waiting a long time to do this truck, so I'm excited to see it done. This is one I've been really excited to show you guys because it's not too often we get to do a wheel this size. 24 by 10 KG1 Heathen, or it might be the Jacked. I'm pretty sure it's the Heathen. With the 8-lug floating center cap, such a smooth floating center cap. But this one's really cool because all we did on this 2022 Chevy 2500, we threw a leveling kit on it, a little 2.5-inch torsion key, and with a 24 by 10 and some 35s, we did a little bit of trimming in the front and a little bit of trimming in the back. Keeps all of the factory ride, keeps all of the factory stance, except having just a little bit of tire poking out on the side. But it's cool to be able to do a big, nice forged wheel, 24-inch forged wheel with just a little tiny lip, still keeping a factory size. Something that you don't see every day. I'd love to start doing more of this stuff because it's super easy to do, and it just gives you more of a show truck look without having to go very big and without even doing a lift kit. So I really hope that Mitch enjoys the truck. I think this looks really good. I love the floating center caps. Hey, it must be nice to have center caps on your truck, huh? But we did a 24 by 10 KG1 with a 325 45 24. Now if you do a 35 12 50 24, be a little bit skinnier, so the fitment will be a little bit better, and I don't think you'll have to do as much trimming. But if you do the 325 45 like we did here, it's a little bit wider, a little bit taller, do a little bit of trimming. But I think it turned out really good. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm not gonna lie and say that somebody sent this to me, because that would be kind of, that as the kid, that'd be cap, right? I'm not gonna lie and say somebody sent this to me, but I have jumped into the zone of not being able to go back, where I've started buying hats online and sending them to myself at the shop so I can do unboxings at the shop. And that's what we're doing today. But if you guys want to send me some fitteds, my size is 7.5. I'm just gonna throw that out there, and I will open them. I will open them at the shop. So this one is from Capsule. Thank you for your order. They send a couple little stickers or whatever. I got another one coming this week too. Ooh, look, they sent a little box too. Dope. Comes with a little pin on it. I don't even know how you open it. Never had a hat come in a box before. It's cool. Fresh new. There's a new Braves. A little brown and blue action. With a little capsule pin on top. On the side. Y'all send me some hats at the shop and I'll open them in a video. Still one of the cleanest wheel and tire setups that I feel like we've ever done at the shop. It's a little dirty right now. 2614 Artem Off-Roads. Artem has a super nice design of wheels. This is the Curvis all gloss black, no milled accent pieces with the black spike lug nut. What I love so much about this wheel is the design of the lip here. Has this really nice just curved design, and with the Venoms, I think it fits with the Venoms really well. You got a square tire with a little bit of curve on the edge. Something about the way the 2614s and the 35s looks really good to me. This also looks really good on a Fury as well, the 35 1350 Furies. This is one of my favorite wheel and tire combos that ever comes through the shop, and I always got to throw it in a video when it's here. A set of wheels and tires in here for cruising with Mel. He's gonna come get these in a week or two. 26x16 Amani off-road, Amani forged off-road with the 35 1550 26. Such an OG size setup with the floating center caps. Gotta love it, gotta love it. See what's happening outside. Yeah. You like that? You like that? 22x12s and some ridge grapplers going on our 2023 today. Look at that brown color. That brown color is actually really nice. Ooh, with the little, is that black? I think it's black. It almost looks brown in the light though. Either way, I actually really like this color a lot.
Like you dripping my heat.
I don't want to feel on them, no. I don't want to feel on them. It's too early in the morning for all that. Y'all heard that on TikTok? A little shop doggy. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, no, no. You're all dirty.
Have you named them?
What's her name? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Such a happy girl, huh? What are you doing? You can't go inside. You gonna sell some tires? You wanna sell some tires? Let's go inside. You wanna sell some tires? No? What you doing? No. You're all dirty. You can't be jumping. No, you can't be jumping on me. You're all dirty. What are you doing? No, you can't have the camera. No, 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 no. I'm going inside. Stay outside. No. Hi. Jonathan's one of those customers that becomes more of a friend over time, and we built this 2500 for him a couple of months ago. It's got a 9-inch chrome FTS lift with a blue powder coat on it. We saw his truck at Atlanta Truck Invasion. Y'all don't remember, it's the one with the gold Bread Gang sticker on the back that I was shouting out earlier. We did a little bit of maintenance on the lift kit, and his brother, since Jonathan's not here, I'm gonna throw his brother in the video. He's coming to pick up the keys. Here, let me make sure it's locked. But he brought me some food, and I want to give Jonathan a shout out and his brother as well for bringing me some food at the shop. I love you guys. Let's get this bread. Jonathan manages a Mexican restaurant, a town over in Griffin. Look, come here. Come here. We done got hooked up today.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Where's he at?
He told his brother to come drop it off. What we got? Oh, we got, yeah.
Fries and wings.
Whole thing of fries. What them wings looking like though? Ooh, ooh, them things look like, that's heavy too. Is it hot? Look at them things. Oh, them things are hitting. Yeah,
Well, let's go. We appreciate it.
Yeah, them wings ain't no joke right there. Ooh. We got our brown Chevy on the ground this morning with the 22x12s and the 35-inch Nittos. Couple of things to do. Got to do a little bit of trimming. Still got to put the skid plate on the front, get it aligned, get it test drive, get it retort. I really do like that brown color. I love showing you guys examples of building trucks that don't have to be a big 9-inch lift in 26s to still look really good. Brown color is really nice. Don't see the brown color too much, which to me makes it a little bit different, which is I feel like kind of why I like it. It's got a, look at it, it's got a lot of sparkle and flake in. I don't know if y'all can see that in the sun. It looks really nice. It does. I can't wait to get it in the sun in front of the shop later in the day and film it. I think it turned out pretty good. I love the Nittos. Nittos are gonna ride great. TIS for the price has a great freaking wheel. And to be honest, I know they have a bad name, but you really can't beat that rough country lift kit. You really can't. Got us a package up here at the shop today. Let's get this bread. Couple of what are these? Oh, cream filled swirly cakes.
Ain't no good.
Cream filled swirly cakes, Leonard.
No good.
What do you mean no good?
That's the one that I eat.
What do you mean? Yeah, you had some of those outside.
Yeah.
Ooh, look, the honey buns. Ooh, Boston cream honey buns. Oh, we got the iced honey buns. Ooh, all nice and packaged up. Ooh, we got the glaze. Ooh, Oh, there's level 2. So
You got a
he's
liquor?
yeah, he's trying to knock me off my diet that I ain't got going on right now.
Oh,
Dang.
Oh, he's got the chocolate one too?
Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Jake likes the trash from the gas station, so none for you. I'm
Well,
sorry.
I tell you though.
I'm sorry. He's trader over
For
here.
a price reduction of free, I might.
None for Jake.
That's the one Jake needs to start it.
Yeah, he needs to get off that trash at the gas station.
$6,111.78.
That beautiful AT4 back there. Did a little 3.5-inch lift and some tires on it. Got the Breadman up here today. Breadman came, he dropped his wife's Jeep off a couple days ago. We did a lift kit on a Jeep, a little 2.5, a little 3.5, something like that. The coolest thing about the Jeep, in my opinion, is the bronze wheels. Fuel Beast, double dark tint with the bronze, almost like a bronze finish on it. I know you guys like to see some of the other stuff other than the Chevys and GMCs. So I want to make sure to show some love to the Breadman in the videos. Got the Nittos, rough country lift, and the fuels. It's freaking nice. And I know y'all remember his truck, 2018 GMC 2500 with the Mcgaughys kit. Got the 24x12 KG1 Aristos, black and milled, metal center caps, and the Venoms. It's freaking nice. It's been one of my favorite builds. He's been one of my favorite customers. He's been super nice every time he comes up here. So shout out to the Breadman for always coming through and showing love and helping me with my diet. The only reason this build is so special to me is we took the initial call to build this truck, or the initial quote, back in October of 2022. So it's been, hell, it's almost been a year. We got, what, 2 months before it's a year that we initially quoted this, and the job got sold in December. You know, a couple weeks later, within a month or so, as we're waiting for all the parts, the truck got hit by a deer going down the road. Insurance was trying to total the truck. So obviously we got a set of wheels, tires, lift kit, everything here to be able to build the truck, and insurance is trying to tell us that the truck is totaled and we potentially weren't going to be able to build the truck. Now the good news is, I think we were going to upgrade to a 2024, so doing a Mcgaughys kit in 2614s on a 2024 Denali would have been freaking amazing. But I'm really glad that the truck was able to get fixed and we could do the build originally how it was planned. So insurance was trying to ruin the build for us, but they ended up getting the truck fixed. I don't drive the truck every day, obviously. It's just here so we can do a lift kit and everything. So as far as I know, everything is back how it should be from the factory. It's definitely got a couple upgrades since then. 2022 GMC 2500 Denali HD. Got the chrome front end, chrome mirrors, chrome door trim, chrome window trim, chrome door handles, chrome steps, chrome everything. Denalis are super nice. I love doing chrome wheels or polished wheels on the Denalis. Really like that chrome front end. Really like the chrome front end. He's got the black badges on the front, which is really nice. We did a 26x14 JTX Akimbo. All of the JTXs come with the metal caps, which is super cool. And we got my man a set of chrome spike lug nuts. 37, 14, 50, 26 Venom RT. If you guys are looking to run some form of an all-terrain or RT and not do a mud tire, the Venom is the best option. Doing 37s with a 14 wide wheel requires you to do some trimming, so we take the mud flap off, do some trimming. We still got to clean a little bit of that up before he comes and gets it. 9-inch Mcgaughys lift kit. I absolutely love the Mcgaughys front cross member. It's got the super nice high gloss black powder coat with the milled accent pieces, the billet accent pieces. Then we upgraded the upper control arms to match as well. 8-piece infinite off-road rock light and wheel light all the way around. I've got it set to this really nice like teal color right now. It comes with a remote, which is super nice to control both of them together. Mcgaughys got that beautiful front compression strut with the milled accents as well. And then we upgraded to the rear traction bars that match. I love the traction bars. The traction bars just add so much extra just detail to the back of the truck. Have that really nice polished billet accent piece as well. Overall, Denali 2614 chrome wheels, you really can't go wrong. I think the biggest debate right now is, do you go Mcgaughys with the billet accent pieces or do you go FTS with the chrome front cross member? Let me know in the comments. I think JTX is on top of the game right now. JTX and KG1 has the two nicest wheels in the forged industry in my opinion, but you pair those with a 9-inch lift 26s, it really can't be beat. Chase's truck got dropped off up here. If you haven't seen the new 26x16 405 3026 from Fury, the Fury MT2, it's one of the nicest wheel and tire tire combinations I think on the market right now. That freaking beautiful 26x16 KG1 Phoenix and the 405 pairs so well together. Any 26x16 and the 405, this is probably my favorite wheel and tire combination on the market right now for sure. If you guys made it this far in the video, I will be at iDrive Showdown in Orlando this weekend. Come by and see me, come meet me. I'll be hanging out with Papi's Garage, PJ Trucking, Stunting 94, Brenton. There's gonna be a lot of cool people down there, a lot of cool trucks. Make sure you guys come out to the show, come see me, get in a video, get in a photo. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Hit the subscribe button. 54,000. I love you guys. Let's get this bread.